Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off and also put into standby your DJI OSMO Mobile 6. So right now it's off, but we are already extended. So to turn it on we have to press and hold the M button for a couple of seconds and it will turn itself on, like so. And then if we want to turn it off while it's extended, again we just press and hold the M button for a couple of seconds and it turns itself off. If it's already folded, we can turn it on by simply opening it up. So you put this bit round to the front and open up at the back here and it will automatically turn on. And again, to turn it off, we can just fold it up, put that to there, and you can now see it's off. Now to put it into standby mode, we have to hit the M button 3 times. So let's just put this back on. And if we hit this here, 1, 2, 3, you will now see we're in standby mode where it's flashing green here. To take it out of standby mode, just hit the M button again. And now you can see it's come back to life and we have a solid green light here. So that's it. That's how you turn it on and off and put it into standby. Thanks for watching.